Difference between a leader and someone with title, big difference. Title gives you some time to convince me that you can lead. You can't hide leadership behind title, but in Jamaica you can. You gotta earn respect if you want to be a leader. Don't tell me what your title is. Some of it is just to boost you up. There's nothing that will stop a true leader. And too often we follow titles here. But you want to get people's respect, and it comes from knowledge, experience, accomplishment. Other things, but those are the three. You're going to work on that. Are you not in a rush? Experience counts. So spend the time working on yourself so you can earn respect. It took me 15 years to become an orthopedic spine surgeon.